Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It has now been 2 days since I picked up my US General Series 3 work center and rolling cabinet. I wanted to make this video to show you guys what I've put in the toolbox so far. Mind you, I'm not a car expert, I'm not a technician by any means. I just want to be handy around the house, and part of that is keeping all the tools organized and easy to find. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. So I shared a little bit about this in a live stream I did some time ago, but the Kennedy toolbox I have here is my dad's toolbox. He used to be a welder, and unfortunately he's no longer with us, and I want to make the most of it. The plan is to use this toolbox to store any house repair related items. I didn't have a spot to put the 6-ton Daytona jack, so I left it right there. Moving over to the US General toolbox, to the side, I bought this attachment from HarborFreight for $14.99. It's magnetic, so you can easily take it off and put it elsewhere in the toolbox. I put a tape measure and have it hanging right there. And then in the space between the Kennedy toolbox and the US General, I had the Daytona 4-ton jack. Luckily, it was able to fit right there just fine. I got the funnel right here on this side compartment that my dad had added. I have the Braun light bar. Looking at the top, some extra oil filters, some chemicals, our very famous Valvoline Restore and Protect. I also have a Hercules fan up there and a Hercules LED light. And then we have a pneumatic pump for pumping out differential fluid, or if my sibling is doing an oil change. Moving down to the work center, I brought my laptop out here. I also brought the cheap microscope that I got from Amazon. Behind the laptop is actually a power strip. I got this from HarborFreight for about 33 bucks, and it's magnetic. It just sticks right there. There's 5 outlets and 2 USB connectors. The screwdriver holder, it came with the work center. Same with this. I have the WD-40 brake parts cleaner, and then this is the tripod that I use to record videos. And then we got the famous oil filter opener. Then you got the Midwest F-150 license plate that I use to protect my identity. I also got this light bar from HarborFreight. It actually has like this sensor and then a magnet, and essentially it's triggered by that magnet, so every time this door closes, it turns off. Now, if you want to keep the work center open but the light off, there's a button up here in the little control box that you get. So I click that, it turns off. So that's the work center. The way I organized this, I put the frequently used tools on the upper drawers. And if I can't put the tools on there, then I'll shift it downwards where the drawers are bigger. First level, we got some power tools here. I honestly just might move this impact over to the Kennedy. I got the impact, the ratchet, Husky flashlight, got a frisbee for when we open up an oil filter, US and metric Allen wrenches, pliers, ratchets. And then these are my dad's old ratchets. Got some extensions, some flexible extensions. I've actually never used this, but I bought it thinking I would one day. This is from HarborFreight. It's a Pittsburgh branded socket set. I'm missing the 10 millimeter because I dropped it into the truck and I still haven't found it to this day. We got the swivel attachment, and then this is for the impact so that I can use a socket on it, and then adapters to use smaller socket sizes. All right, jumping to the next level, we got some clamps. This is from my dad's toolbox. Got some scissors, some of these wrenches, an expanded set of wrenches. I got this from HarborFreight, Pittsburgh. All right, to the next level, I got a lot of zip ties and rivets, some spark plug sockets. If you're asking me why I have so many of these, that would be a good question. I don't know. Bolt extractor, got some specialty pliers, some picks. I have some parts from the F-150, so I got a PCV hose. And then we got the PCV valve from the F-150. All right, next level down, we got some hammers and we got some metal brushes. So next level, we got some torque wrenches and some hose for that pneumatic pump. We have an impact screwdriver set. And this is the attachment for the Hercules impact. I didn't know where else to put that. Bottom drawer is empty. Jumping to the side drawers, this is the one with the power strip on the side. I got the borescope, a battery maintainer from HarborFreight, Icon flashlight, black light to check for UV dye leaks, and then I got the OBD connector here. All right, jumping down to the last drawer. I put the 3-ton Daytona jacks in here, and then I got the wheel chocks, and then a series of different chemicals, including cleaning products and a grease gun for the Daytona jack. Overall, I'm really happy with this toolbox. The red on it roughly matches my F-150, which is really cool. I hope to one day buy the end locker on it so I can put the 6-ton Daytona jacks inside of it, as well as some of the fluids, and then shift the Kennedy toolbox just over so that I can put that there. Would you guys buy this toolbox? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.